So there are three types of comments in Java. Single line comment. These comments are for making a single line as a comment. These comments are start with a symbol double slash, and after this whatever is written till the end of the line is taken as a comment. For example, this is my comment of one line. Now next is multi-line comments. These comments are used for representing several lines of comments. These comments are start with slash star and end with a star slash. In between slash star and star slash, whatever is written is treated as a comment. For example, like slash star, this is my first line comment, this is my second line comment, this is my third line comment, and I'm closing star slash. So this is about multi-line comments. Now third one is Java documentation comments. These comments are start with slash star star and end with star slash. These comments are used to provide description for every feature in a Java program. This description proves helpful in the creation of a .html file called API documents, application programming interface documents. So what is an API document? An API document is an .html file that contains description of all the features of software, a product, or a technology. API document is helpful for the user to understand how to use the software or technology.